Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Mr. Porter, and today I have an exciting lesson for you. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. Excellent! You sound great. Hey, listen, boys and girls, meet my friends, Pete the cat, Henry, and Anastasia. Can you say hello to Pete the cat, Henry, and Anastasia? Can say hello, Pete the cat, Henry, and Anastasia. All right, Pete. When someone speaks to you, my friend, you must speak back. What do you say, Pete? Oh, did you hear Pete? Pete said hello back to you in cat language, as well as Henry and Anastasia. Hey, listen, boys and girls. I have a poem or a nursery rhyme. Today's nursery rhyme is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Look at that. Look at the star twinkling. Wow, that is such a pretty picture. Can you help me say the poem, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Great! I am so excited you will help me say Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Let's read. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Wow! Let's say that again, boys and girls. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Can you help me sing this poem? Great! Let's sing the poem, boys and girls. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Wow, you sound great, boys and girls, and excellent reading, because remember, readers are leaders. All right. Hey, boys and girls, I have a show and tell for you today. Hey, listen. Do you know what this is, boys and girls? What is this? Can you tell me what I am holding in my hand? What could it be? Ooh, look at it again. Look at it closely, boys and girls. This is the flag of the United States of America. And look at all of these beautiful colors, boys and girls. Can you tell me the colors of the American flag? You can? Excellent. What are the colors of this American flag? The first color is, what color is this? This is the color red. Can you say red? Red. 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 Excellent. This is the color red. What is the next color, boys and girls, that you see on this American flag? The next color that you see, boys and girls, is the color white. 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 Can you say white? Excellent. You said the color white. Now, what is the next color, boys and girls? All right, Pete, get in on this, my friend. Henry and Anastasia, what colors do you see, Pete? Come on, Pete. What color is the next color? We're going to let Pete tell us the next color to see if he's going to behave himself today. Pete, are you going to share today? What's the next color, Pete? Come on, Pete. People are looking, my friend. Don't act up today, Pete. Tell us the next color. What's the next color, Pete? White, Pete. Did you hear Pete in cat language? Pete said the next color is the color blue. Can you say blue? Blue. Very good. Blue. Very good. Excellent, boys and girls. Now, there is a shape in this American flag. There is a shape in this American flag. What shape do you see, boys and girls? I'm going to hold it a little bit closer so you can see the shape that is in this American flag. And the shape is a shape of a star. Look at all of those stars. And what color are those stars, boys and girls? What color are the stars that you see? The color of the stars are, the color of the star is white. Can you say white? White star. White star. White star. Very good, boys and girls. You are smart. And today you earned yourself some yummy goodies this morning. The goodie of the day is you earned a cupcake. Look at that cupcake. My mouth is starting to water a little bit. I wonder if I bite into it, what will happen? I'm not going to bite into it because it's not real, right? That is right. But I'll take a chunk out of it anyway. You've earned a cupcake. All right, boys and girls. Hey, listen. There are some colors that are on the color chart today. But before we get into the colors, let's say our ABCs. Can you say your ABCs with me? Great! I am excited that you will say your ABCs with me. The first letter of the alphabet is the letter A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good, boys and girls. You just helped me see the ABCs. Excellent. Now let's sing the ABCs. You ready? All right, let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T-U-V W-X-Y-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing them again with me? All right, beautiful singing, boys and girls. You just sung your ABCs. I tell you, you are smart. All right, boys and girls, I have some sight words for you today. And the first sight word that you see to help you become a reader, because remember, readers are leaders. The first sight word is, what is this, boys and girls? What is this word? This word is sock. Can you say sock? Sock. Very good. How do you spell sock, boys and girls? Well, let's take a look here. The first letter in the word sock is the letter S. The next letter is the letter O. Following the letter O is the letter C. And lastly, the fourth letter in the word is K. S, O, C, K. Very good. Now let's find the words, the word pieces that go in the slots. Where is the S? Where is the S? Oh, there it is. The S here is in the color of blue. This is a blue S. The next color, boys and girls, of the O letter is also blue. Look at that. They match colors. Blue. Let's find us a C, boys and girls. Where is the C? I am fishing for a C. Where could the C be in the C of alphabet? Hey, listen, look. This must be the color blue day, because the letter C is also in the color blue. Look at that. A blue C. All right, what's the last letter in the word sock? That letter is K. Will you help me fish for a letter K, boys and girls? You will? Wow, I am so excited you're willing to help me fish for the letter K. All right, let's fish. We're fishing for the letter K. Where could it be? In our C of alphabet. Oh, we're rustling in the sea of alphabet. Can we find the letter K? All right, here it is. Can you tell me? Can you guess what the color of the letter K is, boys and girls? You can. What color is it? Well, first, the S is the color blue. The O is the color blue. The C is the color blue. What do you believe the color of the K is in the word sock? Well, boys and girls, you're right. All right, Pete, you get in on this, my friend. You be a good student today now. All right, here it is. The color of the K is also blue. Wow, look at that blue K. All right, let's put it in its place here. All right, all blue letters of the word sock. S-O-C-K. Outstanding. All right, we're going to drop it back into the sea of words of alphabet. Words of alphabet. All right, the next word, sight word of the day is, what is this a picture of, boys and girls? What is this? This is a picture of a car. Can you say car? Car. Car. Excellent. You said the word car. Let's spell the word car. The first letter in the word car is C. The next letter is A. And the last letter in the word car is R. C, A, R. Let's find the letters. All right, here is the letter C. Goes into the C slot. And we're looking for another letter, and that letter is A. The last, our A got away. Our A got away from us, but we have a backup A. Ha 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 ha. All right, let's place that A where it needs to be. All right, you stay, A, please stay. And the last letter in the word car is the letter R. All right, we have different colors this time. The C is blue, the A is the color red, and the R is the color orange. Very good, boys and girls. You did excellent with these sight words today. You are smart. Lastly, boys and girls, we are going to share some colors, some more colors. All right. What color is this, boys and girls? This is the color red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Excellent, boys and girls. You are smart. Let's say the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's say that again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good, boys and girls. You're smart. Let's say the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great! You are smart. You just helped me say the days of the week and the months of the year. Thank you for tuning in with me today, learning some more education. Because remember, the more that you know, the more you should grow. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. All right, Pete, let's say bye-bye to everyone. All right, Pete, Henry, and Anastasia, can you let the audience, the students know that it's time to go by saying bye-bye? Say bye-bye, students. Bye-bye, students. Oh, did you hear Pete, Henry, and Anastasia? We all are saying to you, bye-bye. See you in the next broadcast. And thank you for watching Circle Time Kids Club. Bye-bye.